Hello everyone, Andy here. So today we're going to talk about the intro of Time in a Bottle. There are two guitar parts. I sort of combined it so you can play it on by yourself. A little background here. I'm a gigging musician. I play in bands. I play solo. So whenever I play solo, I kind of wish I had this rhythm guitar behind me. So I kind of made my own version of it. This is how I do it. Let me show it to you. Let's get started. All right, so the first chord is D minor, actually, and then the bass is going chromatically down from D. C sharp, C, B, there's a B flat, and there's an A. So if you play the rhythm, the other guitar, the guitar 1, then say that part, and then the guitar 2 is doing this. So they're very far apart, right? So I kind of combine those two by playing guitar 2 right here. Now you have an option to use the D string or this 10th fret 6th string. That's also a D. It really depends on the situation. Sometimes I just do this. Okay, that's easier. But if I'm not confident, I want to mute other strings, I use this one. Like that, okay? Up to you. See, so my pinky and my ring finger, 10th fret, 1st and 2nd string. Doing that. My thumb is plucking the D string, or that D note here. Let's try it here on the open D string. So you're gonna pluck it 1 and 2 and 3 and 3/4 time, by the way. So okay, you might be thinking common time. You'll overshoot the rhythm. So think of 1 and 2 and 3 and. Next, this shape here. It's a G shape down here. First it was this one. And next is, it's a D shape here, without the first finger, because your first finger will pluck this. We'll fret this 9th fret. Okay, so from here, think of G shape, but your first finger will fret the E string, the 6th string. Got it? Okay. Next shape is this shape here. From the 9th fret, it's going down here to the 8th fret, but you're gonna bar that whole 8th fret. This 3rd finger is stay put on the 10th fret, 2nd string. So there. So we have right. Next is let me check. Okay, next one, another G shape here on the 7th fret and 8th fret. Your ring finger is now, 3rd finger is on the 8th fret, 2nd string. Think of G shape, but you're gonna bar that 7th fret, okay, with this one. Or you can do this. Okay, so it's shapes really to memorize it. So think of G shape, but bar. But without the other string, sorry. So you're fretting that 7th fret, 6th string. So, and then there is those are 3 beats, 1 and 2 and 3 and then you just move down your first finger to the A flat, B flat or A sharp 1 time. Pluck it 1 time. Okay. So far we have 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. Okay, now it's the same notes still here. I just use a different finger. Okay, so this is still on the 8th fret, 2nd string, and A sharp. This is the 6th fret, 6th string. Recap. try to practice up to that part, okay? Next, after that, you're gonna pluck the A string along with the second string, 5th fret with your index finger or second finger. Up to you what's comfortable for you from this part going there, or like that, okay? So, after that, we have this. We're going up. So, A, second string, 5th fret. You can move that up here to the second string. 5th fret, you go to the 6th fret. Add a D note here on the 5th fret, 5th string. Maintain that shape. Move it 2 frets higher. And then move it back down. And then move it 1 fret down. So what we have. Okay, so recap. Practice that, okay? The almost last part of this intro is here. A and A note, A string, and 2nd fret, 2nd string. Remember that shape here? We're gonna do that here on the 2nd fret, 5th string, and 3rd fret, 2nd string. Think about it as like a B minor or an A sus. No, it's a B minor, like a B minor. So, okay. Move it up again, 2 frets higher on the 4th fret and on the 5th fret. Same shape. Then we're gonna skip up to the 7th fret and the 8th fret. Remember, it's the same shape, the 5th and the 2nd string. And then, so we have, then step down, 2 frets down on the 5th and on the 6th fret, still 5th and 2nd string. And then step down, half step down, 1 fret down. With the pinky hammering on pull off on the 2nd string. So what do we have? There you go. Recap from the beginning. Okay, so far you might be thinking there's something going on. It's the G string in between those. There's a G string in between. As long as you get this right first, and then when you master that, add the G string in between. There, like that, okay? So, alright, so I hope this helps you out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.